Hello everyone, my name is Prabha Kshatriya. I am going to teach you maths. How are you children? Hope you are all safe and doing well. Now this is my first online classes and I welcome you all. Now today I am going to teach you lesson number 1, that is what is long and what is round. Now children, in standard first, you will learn about the different shapes. I'll show you the shapes. Now see children, you learn about, in standard first, you learn about the different shape. This is square shape. Square shape. It has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And all 4 sides are equal. All 4 sides कैसी हैं? एक जैसी हैं. It has got 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. कितने कॉर्नर है इसमें? 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. And it has a length and breadth. It has length and breadth of same size. Now second shape. This is a triangle shape. Right children? How many sides it has got? 1, 2 and 3. How many corner it has? कि कितने corner है? 1 corner, 2 corner and 3 corner. It has got 3 corners. Now children, this is which shape? Tell me. सोचो सोचो कौन सा shape है ये? Yes, this is a rectangle shape. In rectangle shape, opposite sides are same. आमने सामने वाली साइड कैसी होती है? सेम होती है. See, these 2 sides are same and these 2 sides are same. Again, it has got 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay children? Now, this is a circle. Which shape it is? It is a circle shape. Now children, today we are going to learn about the solid shape. Now what do you mean by solid shape? Solid मतलब क्या होता है? Solid means the object which cannot change its shape. Solid ऐसा object होता है जो अपना shape change कर सकता नहीं है. Like scale. Scale can change its shape? No. Scale अपना shape change कर सकता नहीं है. ये hard है और ये अपना shape change कर सकता नहीं है. Same way, this duster. Duster has got solid shape. Okay, this duster teacher is using to rub in the class. This duster is of solid shape. Now children, this duster has got solid shape. Second, solid shape occupies the space. मतलब क्या होता है? Solid shape को रखने के लिए जगह चाहिए. Now see, I'll keep this duster here. This is occupying the space. उसको जगह चाहिए रखने के लिए. Right? I'll take this scale. This scale also need the space to keep. So solid shape occupies the space. उसको रखने के लिए हमको जगह चाहिए. The next point is they have length, breadth and height. Solid shape की अभी length भी होती है, breadth भी होती है और height भी होती है. Let us see. Now this duster is there. Okay. It is solid shape. I told you before also. It has got length, breadth and height. Let us see. Now this is the length of the duster. Duster इतना लंबा है ना, तो जो लंबा साइज को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Length. फिर ये this is the breadth. Breadth मतलब इतना ये duster चौड़ा है. And this is the height. ये इतना ऊंचा है. So this is the length of the duster. This is the breadth of the duster. And this is the height of the duster. So solid shapes have length, breadth and height. Okay children. Next is they have faces. अब ये solid shape का face कैसे होता है? Okay children. Now see children, this side. Which shape it is? Rectangle. This side, which shape it is? Rectangle. This side, which shape it is? Rectangle. This side, which shape it is? Rectangle. ये कौन shape है? Rectangle. So these are called the faces of the solid shape or this duster. Now today we are going to learn about the different solid shape. Now children, what is this? Yeah, सबको मालूम है क्या है? Your favorite it is. It is a sphere. It is round in shape. कैसा है shape में ये? Round है. और इसका सरफेस कैसा है? इसका बाहर का भाग कैसा है? फ्लैट है? ऐसे ब्लैक बोर्ड जैसा फ्लैट है? नहीं. It is a curved. कैसा है वो? Curved है. सीधा नहीं है. ऐसा थोड़ा कैसा है वो? Curved है. So sphere, it is a round. It has a round shape like a ball, and it is curved in shape like this ball. Or second, you can say orange. This ball is sphere in shape. Got it, children? Good. Now we'll talk about the second shape. Second shape is cuboid, cuboid. Okay. Now what is cuboid? Now it is given here a cuboid shape has 6 faces. Now this is cuboid. It is like a box. Okay. This is cuboid. It looks like it has a box shape. Okay. Now it has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. कितने faces? 6. Again we'll count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. अब इसके corners कितने हैं? How many corners it has? 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, then 5, 6, 7, 8. It has got 8 corners. कितने corners इसके हैं? 8 corners. Okay. It has 8 corners and 12 edges. Edges मतलब किनारा, जहाँ पे 2 फेस मिलते हैं. अभी इसके कितने edges हैं? चलो काउंट करते हैं. So let us count. Now this is 1 edge, this is 2 edge, this is 3 edge, this is 4 edge, this is 5 edge, this is 6 edge, this is 7 edge, this is 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It has got 12 edges. Let us count again. Chalo. 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edge, 5 edge, 6 edge, 7 edge, 8 edge, 9 edge, 11 edge and 12 edge. किसके कितने edges हैं? कितने किनारे हैं? 12. So a cuboid shape has 6 faces. Just now I showed you. Each face is rectangle shape. Yes. Now see, this all faces are of which shape? Rectangle shape. Just now I talk about the rectangle shape or not? So it has got rectangle shape. Next, it has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners and 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It has got 12 edges. Got it? What is cuboid? Okay, children. Now children, third shape is cylinder. 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 Cylinder shape. A cylinder shape is round. It has top and bottom in circle shape. Example, pencil. Now let us see. Now this is a cylinder shape. Now top and bottom, ऊपर और नीचे कैसा shape है? It has got circle shape. And the middle what shape it has got? Curve shape. So it has got 2 faces, 1 and 2. And in the middle it has got curve shape. So this shape we call cylinder shape. Next is like pencil, you know very well. Pencil आप सबको मालूम है, you're writing pencil in the class. Now this pencil, it has got cylinder shape. On the top and bottom, it has got circle shape. And in the middle it has got curve shape. Now next shape is CUBEQ. Now it is a solid shape that has 6 equal square faces. It has 8 corners and 12 edges. Okay, let us see what example dice. Now this is a cube shape. I'll show you. Children, you like to play snake and ladder? Yes. आपको snake and ladder खेलना अच्छा लगता है ना? Now what do you use to play snake and ladder? Yes. One you have board. In that numbers are written and snakes are drawn. और जो snake अपने काटता अपने गर्र से नीचे आ जाते हैं, है ना? Okay. And then what other thing we are using? On that dots are there. 1 dot is there. 2 dots. What we use it? What we call it? Dice. What we call it? Dice. Now children, this you can see this dice. आपने सबने देखा, आप इससे खेलते भी हो. अभी इसकी सब शेप, सब फेसेस देखो आप. 1 face, 2 face, 3 face, 4 face, 5 face and 6 face. It has got 6 faces. Okay, right. सब फेस कौन से शेप के हैं? अभी सी दिस साइड, दिस साइड, दिस साइड, दिस साइड, दिस एंड दिस. इट हैज गॉट स्क्वायर फेस. कैसा फेस है? ऑल साइड इट हैज गॉट 6 इक्वल फेसेस. देन हमने कॉर्नर, इट हैज कितने कॉर्नर हैं जहां पे 2 लाइन ज्वाइन करती है? लेट अस काउंट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It has got 8 corners. कितने corners हैं? 8 corners हैं. हमने edges, it has कितना इसका edge है? Edge means where the 2 face meet, 2 shape meet. Let us count. Edge, 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edge, 5 edge, 6 edge, 7 edge, 8 edge, 9 edge, 11 edge and 12 edge. It has got 12 edges. And this is called cube. Now last is your favorite, that is CONE, cone. You like to eat ice cream cone? Ice cream cone खाना आपको अच्छा लगता है ना? Yes. Even I also like to eat ice cream cone. Okay. Now what is the shape of ice cream cone? A cone has round base and a point at the top. It has 1 corner and 1 face. Example, birthday cap. Okay, children, let us see. What is this? Your favorite. This is birthday cap. When you go to birthday party, there you are getting the birthday cap and you wear like this and you enjoy it. So this is a birthday cap. Now what is the shape of the birthday cap? Okay, this is a point. Okay, this point is called corner. CORNER, corner. It has 1 corner and 1 face. Now this side has got a round base. This side has got round base. That is a circle shape. कैसा shape है इसका? Circle shape. It is called face. Example, birthday cap. So this is a birthday cap. On the top it is pointed, or we can call it corner. Here it is a curved surface, round surface, and here it is got base. जिस पे मैं ऐसे करके इसको ऐसे रखते base है. And what is the shape of this base? Circle. Okay, children. So today we have learned about the solid shape like sphere, cuboid, cube, cone and cylinder. Once again we'll see what we call this shape. ये shape को क्या बोलते हैं हम? This is lemon. Which shape it is? It is a sphere shape. Okay. This is what shape it is? All sides are same, equal shape, square shape. It is called cube. Okay. Now children, what is this shape? We call it opposite sides. All sides are rectangle in shape. Yes, it is called cuboid. All sides are rectangle in shape. Very good, children. Okay, children. So our lesson ends here. Now I've given you the homework. These all points you have to write in the homework maths notebook. Now your maths notebook you know very well. It is of square shape and 200 pages. So write all these points in your maths notebook. And one activity also I have given you. That activity to do it, you have to color it and complete it. Thank you children. Enjoy.